Roofing at JB Financial. I want to talk to you quick about some upcoming things coming for our tax season and for my business owners out there. Really quick, of course, I'm going to say it one more time, we offer refund advance loans up to $6,000. Once you call my office, 713-340-7963 to find out if you qualify or not. We pay $100 for income tax referrals, which I've said 100 times. I'll probably say it 100 more, but there's nothing wrong with repetition as long as it's consistent. My business owners, PPP loan applications are starting back up. So if you guys missed out on funds the first time, or if you're interested in applying this time, now would be a good time to give us a call and see if we can help you get your application started, or you can go online or contact your bank to see if you can get some help. EIDL grants are supposedly supposed to start releasing applications this Sunday, the 17th. We don't have an exact time yet. There are some stipulations to the EIDL loan, pardon me, grant. There weren't stipulations the first time around. They want to see a 30% drop in income from the beginning of COVID-19 shutdowns, which I think started in March of 2020, up until December 2020. That's a stipulation. It wasn't in the first round of lending or grants with EIDL, which is a separate loan from the PPP loans. Something else of interest, they prefer business owners for the $10,000 grant to be in neighborhoods and areas that are considered low-income areas. So we're not talking about necessarily being in really rough areas or really, how should I say it, development areas, but areas where I think the guideline they're going by is that 20% of the people, 20% of the residents are below the state poverty level. They haven't really clearly defined that low-income level yet for the purpose of this grant, okay? So I will provide some sources in the link below. They're still working on it, but keep that in mind. If you're doing business in River Oaks, Clear Lake, so you have an office in Clear Lake like I do, you might not qualify for some of these deals, but it could depend also on what part of these areas you're in, because some of these areas, even though they're in the affluent areas, you could fall into a zip code that does have a certain amount, 20% more of the population below the poverty line, or the state poverty line. Watch that. I tell people all the time, before you apply, talk to a financial professional. Make sure you read do your due diligence. I'll leave some sources below. I'll leave a number to call. I can be a resource for you, because it's going to be kind of tricky because it's still ironing things out. So stimulus people, I love you to death, man. Thank you for all the phone calls. But I'm not running a stimulus company. I'm running an income tax company. And I say it this way because when you ask me a stimulus question, it stops everything we're doing at the office. And at the end of the day, I have no control of when and where you get your stimulus. But here's one thing I can tell you, and I'm going to tell you this one more time. If you guys have not received it by the 15th, if you go to where's my payment to, you don't see a definite date, that means when you file your taxes, we're going to file on your taxes. All right, that's how it's going to work. So if the dog ate your check, if it went to the wrong bank account, the way we're going to get it solved is we're going to file on your taxes, and we'll keep going. That's just the best thing to do instead of driving yourself crazy. And I know some of us need money right away. If that's a situation where you need cash right away, I would like to suggest you, if you are expecting an income tax refund, I would really like to suggest you consider our income tax loan product to bridge the gap between now and when you guys actually are going to receive your stimulus check. So that's all I had to say tonight. I'll drop some information below, keep people kind of informed. If you got any questions, send me a text. I'm super busy right now with tax season starting up, getting our offices set it up, getting our offices established, helping my business partners answer questions. But I will get somebody in the office to answer your question, or I will respond to a text as soon as I get a moment to catch myself. This is Mike. Have a great night. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, please share this post with your family and friends. I need more followers and likes on my Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, just hit the subscribe button below and pass this along, because I want to make sure that we have a source information that we can share with our family and friends. Okay? This is Mike. Have a great night. I look forward to talking to you soon in the office, by telephone, or here on the channel that you're watching the video on. Thank you very much.